ਬ੍ਰਿਟੇਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੋਰੋਨਾ ਵਾਇਰਸ ਦਾ ਨਵਾਂ ਵੇਰੀਐਂਟ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਆਉਣ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਪੂਰੀ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੜਕੰਪ ਮਚਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ। ਕਈ ਦੇਸ਼ਾਂ ਨੇ ਸਖਤ ਪ੍ਰਬੰਧ ਲਾਗੂ ਕਰ ਦਿੱਤੇ ਨੇ। ਹੁਣ ਤੱਕ 25 ਦੇਸ਼ਾਂ ਨੇ ਬ੍ਰਿਟੇਨ ਦੀਆਂ ਫਲਾਈਟਸ ਉੱਤੇ ਰੋਕ ਲਗਾ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਹੈ। ਇਸ ਦੌਰਾਨ ਬ੍ਰਿਟੇਨ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਹਰ ਨਿਕਲਣ ਤੋਂ ਲੰਡਨ ਦੇ ਹੀਥਰੋ 에ਅਰਪੋਰਟ ਤੇ ਹਜ਼ਾਰਾਂ ਦੀ ਭੀੜ ਉਮੜ ਪਈ। ਟਰੈਵਲ ਬੈਨ ਲੱਗਣ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਯੂਕੇ ਤੇ ਫਰਾਂਸ ਦੇ ਬਾਰਡਰ ਤੇ 5000 ਦੇ ਕਰੀਬ ਟਰੱਕ ਡਰਾਈਵਰ ਫਸ ਗਏ। ਫਰਾਂਸ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਰੋਕ ਲਾਏ ਜਾਣ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ 5000 ਟਰੱਕ ਕੈਂਟ ਵਿੱਚ ਫਸ ਗਏ। ਐਤਵਾਰ ਰਾਤ ਤੋਂ M20 ਮੋਟਰਵੇ ਤੇ ਮੌਨਸਟਨ 에ਅਰਫੀਲਡ ਦੇ ਵਾਹਨਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਲੰਮੀਆਂ ਕਤਾਰਾਂ ਲੱਗ ਗਈਆਂ। ਇਸ ਦੌਰਾਨ ਡਰਾਈਵਰਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਖਾਣ ਪੀਣ ਦੀ ਕਮੀ ਹੋਣ ਕਾਰਨ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਏਡ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਵਾਂਗ ਮਸੀਹਾ ਬਣ ਕੇ ਪਹੁੰਚੀ। ਯੂਕੇ ਪੁਲਿਸ ਦੀ ਮਦਦ ਲਈ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਏਡ ਨੇ 2000 ਦੇ ਕਰੀਬ ਮੀਲ ਤਿਆਰ ਕਰਵਾਏ ਤੇ ਖੜੇ ਟਰੱਕਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਡਰਾਈਵਰਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਦਿੱਤੇ। ਕੈਂਟ ਵਿਖੇ ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਨਕ ਗੁਰੂਦੁਆਰਾ ਗ੍ਰੇਵਸੈਂਡ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਲੰਗਰ ਤਿਆਰ ਕਰਕੇ ਡੱਬਿਆਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਪੈਕ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਅਤੇ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਏਡ ਦੀ ਟੀਮ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਪਹੁੰਚਾਇਆ ਗਿਆ। ਖੁਦ ਰਵੀ ਸਿੰਘ ਨੇ ਅੱਗੇ ਆ ਕੇ ਟਰੱਕ ਡਰਾਈਵਰਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਭੋਜਨ ਪਹੁੰਚਾਉਣ ਦੀ ਸੇਵਾ ਕੀਤੀ। ਸੀਟਿੰਗ ਬੌਂਡ ਦੇ ਸਥਾਨਕ ਸਿੱਖ ਬਿਜ਼ਨਸਮੈਨ ਵੱਲੋਂ 1000 ਪੀਜ਼ਾ ਵੀ ਮੁਫਤ ਦਿੱਤੇ ਗਏ। ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਇਲਾਵਾ ਕਈ ਹੋਰ ਜਥੇਬੰਦੀਆਂ ਵੀ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਆਈਆਂ। ਲੋਕਾਂ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਪੱਧਰ ਤੇ ਵੀ ਫਸੇ ਹੋਏ ਡਰਾਈਵਰਾਂ ਲਈ ਭੋਜਨ ਦਾ ਪ੍ਰਬੰਧ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ। ਫਰਾਂਸ ਨੇ ਕੁਝ ਸਮੇਂ ਲਈ ਢਿੱਲ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਹੋਏ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਡਰਾਈਵਰਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਜਾਣ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਕੋਰੋਨਾ ਰਿਪੋਰਟ ਨੈਗੇਟਿਵ ਆਈ ਸੀ।
Delivering hot meals to the drivers who are stranded in England because these truck drivers are going to Europe and now they can't leave because the borders are closed. And Khalsa Aid is working with the police, with the Coast Guard, with the emergency services from all backgrounds to provide hot meals with the local donations from great business people. So we had support yesterday from the Gurdwara Sahib in Gravesend. Today a private businessman has donated 1000 pizzas, and these truck drivers, we got the police, we got the Coast Guard, they're helping us distribute. They're in the front of the distribution van and they're behind us as well. You can see the blue light. That blue light is the police behind us and the Coast Guard giving us protection in case of any emergency. This is a highway, a road which has been blocked for trucks to park because the trucks cannot go to Europe. There's a huge build up of lorries. Thousands of trucks are stuck here. The drivers got no hot food. Khalsa Aid is working with the police. We had a call yesterday saying, can Khalsa Aid support hot meals? So yesterday, working with the community, we provided, including the pizzas and the other meals, about 1000 meals. And today, we got about 1000 meals now. And a very kind businessman in Gravesend, who I will post later on, is donating more food later on. So it's a joint effort. And Khalsa Aid, we're very proud to support work with our emergency services to make it happen. Some of the emergency services are absolutely amazing. We've got search and rescue guys there on the right. We got our team here. Can you show your faces? We got team here. Have that light. We got team here. So we got the whole family here today to help. It's a great. It feels really good. These drivers have been here three days, maybe 4 days, and they're stuck in their trucks on the highway. There's no shops. There are no facilities. There is nothing for them here. Gets dark very quick. So Khalsa Aid is in the forefront here with the aid of other emergency services, trying to support the truckers, and we'll do much more. So this is today we would have served about 1400 meals, and tomorrow we got another big operation, I think. So the police are liaising with us, we're coordinating with the police, and we had a very good reputation now with the local authorities and the emergencies. Everyone's pulling together. It's a huge operation, so we're hoping now. You can see there's the blue lights. That's the escort behind us and blue lights behind us. So we got our own, in a way, protecting us on the highway. So there's a lot to do. So the difference is, right, like my wife said this to me the other day. She goes, in England, Guru Ka Langar is being escorted by the police. So Langar is being given out with the protection of the police. Where if you go to other parts of the world, the farmers were protesting, Guru Ka Langars were being stopped by the police. So it's amazing how turned the tables. They're welcoming the support here. And our team in Punjab, in Delhi, Amarpreet Singh leading it, doing a great job. they're doing it over there. Our volunteers doing it here. It's amazing how Khalsa is truly a global organization making a difference. That's because of you guys. It doesn't matter what people say. You know, haters will hate, but that's, you know, who we are. We speak our mind and we get our work done. At the moment, this is our emergency. There you are, look, Khalsa volunteers working with Domino's staff who are doing a fantastic job donating these pizzas. Great work, guys. So yeah, keep supporting. There's many more videos on Instagram and Twitter. Hi guys, we're handing out emergency food to people who are stuck. The truck drivers, you can see, look, for miles. We're working with the police, with the fire, with the God, it's so busy here, with the search and rescue and Coast Guard to take food to the truck drivers. You can see, look, they're stranded for miles. It's a bit dark. So these are the pizzas today, 1,000 pizzas. And we got the police and the Coast Guard and everyone, the volunteers, guys from Domino's Pizza in Kent, from the Dylan group, they're helping out. There's so much going on. These truck drivers, they've been stranded. They can't go home to Europe because the border's closed. So our team, our team is working with the locals, with the local businesses. Khalsa is working with all the emergency services to deliver food to the truckers. So it's great to see humanity is still alive. These truck drivers haven't moved for like 3 days. They're in the same place 3 to 4 days. And since yesterday, Khalsa has been supporting hot meals with the police and the search and rescue guys. There you are, the drivers. The poor guys been stuck here on the highway. This is a highway, look. And they've been parked here in the same place. So it's amazing to see so much effort. Nobody goes hungry when the Sikhs are around. So there's a big effort going on.
I'm right now, I need to run.
We got a whole team, we got team effort. And we got police and Coast Guard behind us as well. Look, the blue lights. They're giving us protection at the back as well. And there you are. So we are trying to work with the police to make sure we reach all the drivers with the hot food. The poor guy's been stuck with our hot food. So thank you for supporting Khalsa here, everywhere in the world. And a very big, huge thank you to the volunteers in India helping the farmers in the Delhi protest. You guys are amazing. There you are. Amazing, amazing. People are hungry, they need food, especially hot food. Keep supporting, guys. This line of trucks is endless. So many truck drivers. This is like langar in motion, in a way, serving langar. Great teamwork by locals, volunteers, and our team members here. So thanks to everyone who's supporting Khalsa. There you are. Thank you.
Yeah.
There you are. Thank you for supporting Khalsa, guys.